Hello and welcome. Today we'll learn how to ask and answer simple questions in English. This is very important for daily conversations. Let's start with yes no questions. Yes no questions are very easy in English because you can answer them with just yes or no. These questions usually start with an auxiliary verb like do, is, are, can, or does. For example, do you like tea? You can answer it yes, I do, or no, I don't. Is it cold today? Yes, it is, or no, it is not. Can you swim? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Always begin yes no questions with an auxiliary verb. This makes the question correct and natural in English. For example, don't say you like tea. Instead, say do you like tea? WH questions. Not all questions can be answered with just yes or no. Sometimes we need more information. These are called WH questions. WH questions begin with special question words like who, what, where, when, why, which, and how. For example, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Where do you live? I live in Karachi. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Always start with a WH word when you want a full answer, not just yes or no. For example, instead of saying, do you like food? Say, what food do you like? Asking questions politely. In English, being polite is very important when we ask questions. Politeness makes communication friendlier and shows respect. To make your questions polite, you can add words like please, excuse me, or use softer phrases such as could you or can you. For example, could you tell me your name, please? Excuse me, what time is it? Can you help me, please? Always remember, a polite question is more likely to get a kind and helpful answer. Common mistakes. Many English learners make mistakes when asking questions. The most common mistake is forgetting to use an auxiliary verb like do, does, is, can. For example, where you live. This is not correct. The correct way is where do you live? Another mistake, you like pizza. The correct way is do you like pizza? Always remember, in English questions, we usually put an auxiliary verb at the beginning of the sentence. Mini practice. Now it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you some simple questions. Try to answer out loud. Don't just listen. Speak with me. Ready? Let's go. Do you like music? You can answer yes, I do, or no, I don't. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue, or I like red. Can you play football? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Where do you study? I study at school, or I study at university. Speak your answers out loud. This builds confidence and helps you sound more natural in real conversations. So remember, yes no questions need short answers, and WH questions need more details. Practice every day to get confident in conversations. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and write your own example questions in the comment below. Thanks for watching.